Bitcoin money value equivalent to $114.22 a coin, which is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 113.8 to 114.96, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 113.93, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The change truly was plus 0.29, plus 0.25% in a fundamentally huge way. Converse rate, USD to BCH in an especially enormous way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $116, fundamentally greatest 124, essentially least 108. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $116, greatest 124, most certainly least 108 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $112, in every practical sense, most extreme 120, especially least 104 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $113, kind of most extreme 121, sort of least 105, which is genuinely huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, June 5, cost $113, most certainly greatest 121, certainly least 105, showing how the earlier day close, 113.93, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $111, essentially greatest 119, truly least 103, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost $112, certainly greatest 120, most certainly least 104, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $112, kind of greatest 120, in every practical sense, least 104, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $109, extremely greatest 117, truly least 101 in a by and large significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $110, most certainly greatest 118, kind of least 102 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $111, genuinely greatest 119, beautiful least 103, which generally shows that very converse rate, USD to BCH, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $112, genuinely most extreme 120, sort of least 104, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost $114, genuinely greatest 122, beautiful least 106 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $112, fundamentally greatest 120, certainly least 104, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $113, truly greatest 121, beautiful least 105, pretty further appearance how in multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $113, certainly most extreme 121, least 105, showing how the earlier day close, 113.93 in a significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $111, really greatest 119, sort of least 103, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost $105, fundamentally greatest 112, sort of least 98, so Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, June 15, cost $114, truly most extreme 122, genuinely least 106, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost $115, genuinely most extreme 123, especially least 107. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $110, certainly greatest 118, truly least 102, which essentially shows that the change sort of was plus 0.29, plus 0.25% in a genuinely large way. And about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost $109, kind of greatest 117, truly least 101, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $113, especially most extreme 121, certainly least 105 in a truly significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, June 27, cost $106, beautiful greatest $113, by and large least 99, which fundamentally is very huge. USD to BCH conversion scale equivalent to 0.8755 coins per $100, which basically is very critical. Today, S reach 0.8699-0.8786. Showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost $112, essentially most extreme 120, fundamentally least 104 in a really significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.8777, which fundamentally shows that the earlier day close, 113.93, or so they sort of thought. Change for now 0.0022, 0.25%, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 0.870 coins, essentially most extreme 0.935, exceptionally least 0.813, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.862 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.926, genuinely least 0.806 in a by and large enormous manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.862 coins, fundamentally greatest 0.926, genuinely least 0.806, which truly is very critical. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.893 coins, really most extreme 0.962, truly least 0.833, or so they by and large thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 0.885 coins, genuinely greatest 0.952, really least 0.826. In multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 0.885 coins, genuinely greatest 0.952, fundamentally least 0.826. So Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost $114, kind of most extreme 122, really least 106, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.901 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.971, certainly least 0.840, showing that Bitcoin money value equivalent to $114.22 a coin, which certainly is very huge. USD to BCH forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.893 coins. By and large greatest 0.962, by and large least 0.833, especially further appearance how for the most part backwards rate. USD to BCH, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.893 coins, greatest 0.962, especially least 0.833 in an exceptionally huge way. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 0.917 coins, essentially greatest 0.990, really least 0.855, exhibiting how Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, June 20.